Yo, wait, hold on. FaceTime me.
Oh, you want to see the hair?
I need to see it, dude. What did you do? Let me see this. What did you do?
Did you like it or love it?
I love it. I love it. Should I do it too?
Dude, if you want.
Sarah won't.
It was so bad.
Dude, you look beautiful. I just want to kiss your head.
Thanks, but dude, already it's grown back.
I see it, dude. It's actually way longer than in the video yesterday.
Dude, for real. So I'm literally like, holy crap, it's growing back so fast. I think next time I'm gonna do is like great.
Well, I just wanted to tell everyone how beautiful you looked, and I wanted everyone to know that I said you look beautiful. If you guys don't know what happened, Oscar shaved his head. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You gotta go watch that video. I died.
Whoa, it brings a tea to my eye.
Good morning, guys. Karen just picked her nose.
I didn't. I just like went like this.
No, you definitely picked it and got one. You're nasty. We're starting today off at the chiropractor. Karen's really interested, so I brought her. This is like not your typical chiropractor. It's called The Joint. It's the chiropractic place, and it's only 29 bucks for consultation, exam, and adjustment. I'm sure you guys remember my friend Wyatt. He goes here in North Carolina, and he recommended it to me because I told him my neck hurt and my shoulder, and like I can't turn it much. So he's like, dude, you need to go to the chiropractor. He showed me where he went, and then I found one in the area, so we're gonna go in here. This is my second one. This is my second consultation thing. Or adjustment. Karen's actually gonna get adjusted too. I did a headstand. I told you guys this yesterday, but I don't know if you watched the vlog, but I did a headstand, and then like I rolled forward to get out of it, and I turned my neck a little, and then as I turned my neck when I rolled forward, I heard like a little crack, and I was like, oh, I'm fine. Very next day, or actually later on that day, it hurt a lot, and then the next day when I woke up in the morning, I could barely turn my neck. Where's Karen's wallet? She's her ID. Yeah, so even now, like, that hurts a lot. It's like a lot of pain right here. And then I can turn this way a little bit better. To get hit by a car and get even worse. So they're gonna crack my stuff and adjust me right, I hope.
Yeah. I hear the paper a lot, but.
Go down.
Cross the right leg over. There you go, that's better. That one's not going.
That's crazy.
Alright.
See the difference?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh wow, dude, I'm telling you, this place is the best. Look at this, Karen.
I know.
So the range of motion is what we want. You're good. The range of motion is what we want. When we get that range of motion back in there, that means everything can calm down and relax. But you still have that inflammation in there. That's what causes pain.
Alright, it's Karen's turn now. This is her first time at a chiropractor.
Okay. Okay. Left one a lot harder, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Left shirt leg by about 1/4 of an inch there. Stay short here.
Oh, that's crazy. Karen, your legs were jacked up before.
Even now?
Yeah. You love it?
I love it. It was good. The back crack felt so good.
Be organic with Dr. G.
Be organic with Dr. G.
So be organic is spelled out and then W space ER space G.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Hey,
You vlogging me?
what the heck is that?
My mom didn't have a to-go plate, so.
Wait, what do you? No, I'm not even saying that. It's just, why is it so big?
She made one pot or one pan.
Why doesn't it get like cut up and you had like a small piece? It's
Because
just like this huge.
I told her this is how much I wanted, and then she goes, no. Then what is everyone else gonna eat? I said that's their problem. So before she could say no and look for like a to-go
You left?
tray for me, yeah, I just grabbed one and left.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, these are so
You
good.
can't even
These
see
Rice
it. The
Krispie
lighting
treats.
is so terrible.
Oh, well, they don't deserve to see it.
Oh my god.
Because
Let
it's
me back
mine.
up some. We just left the chiropractor. I feel pretty good. I feel good, but I feel kind of sore, especially like in my chest. No. And like, I guess one of my ribs is out of line.
I feel so good.
I think it's from Sutton kicking me.
Probably.
Oh, and really weird. I'm like extremely thirsty after that. Like, I'm like chugging this water. I finished it all, and now I'm like, I need a smoothie.
You have something on your face. Let's see. Oh, it's just beautiful.
Hey, doing that.
All right, so we left the camera in the car, but we have been relaxing today because these kids have not felt great at all. They've actually felt terrible. You can actually see it in Jackson's eyes. Jackson.
Yeah, he's like 99.
Oh my gosh, that's
Like
actually
on the
super.
cusp of a fever.
That's actually super creepy. Jackson. The lights make his eyes look pure black. Oh my goodness, he's possessed. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Here you go.
Oh, he wants you to open that for him, baby.
Every time I do, he doesn't want any.
Hey, you know why? Because that's mine. Get your own. Hey, don't you dare. I can't believe you.
He's just like you. Seriously, I think he has most of your characteristics.
Whiny,
Whiny.
loud,
Loves to eat.
hungry.
Very loud. Like, not even like screaming wise, like even when he just talks, he's like, hey go, mommy.
I'm not loud, Karen. You're the loud one.
You just lowered your voice.
I did lower my voice. Oh my gosh.
He's like,
Like the cat.
Landon doesn't feel well, but not as bad as Jackson, I think.
Landon doesn't know he doesn't feel well. He just wants to party all the time.
We took a hot bath, got all the snot out, and had a bath bomb. It was amazing. We plugged Alexa in.
Someone
we were
peed
jamming.
on someone else's head.
Someone peed on someone else's head.
I wonder who it was.
That person. It wasn't me or Khoa.
Okay.
We'll just put that out there.
Okay, alright.
Imagine I'm just peeing on
Ew, Karen, stop. Okay. What? He's walking back over here. What'd you just do? You walked over here slowly and smiled.
Oh, okay.
But he just loves it when we're on the couch.
I know.
And then he'll just do whatever.
Yes.
I literally went to go get Karen. Oh, by the way, Karen's using this cup. And it's the cup from when Sutton was born. She's not supposed to use it because this is a memorabilia. But she uses it anyway and fills up her water. Well, I was filling up her water for her. And this kid was freaking out while I was getting ice. Oh, you okay? And now I'm sitting down and look at him. Happy as can be.
What are you doing?
Just rubbing his face.
He says, I'm beautiful.
Are you beautiful? He's going, ooh, the sliding though.
Yeah, but all our other dishes are dirty. This is literally the last
Clean
thing I
cup?
have.
No,
Yeah.
that's not true because I looked at a bunch. It's not like closed lid, but there's
Yeah,
like
well,
mugs.
I know, but I want like a closed lid because he always wants some, and then they want some. And then...
So needy.
Oh, wheels on the bus go round. You want? Can you say Alexa?
Say Alexa. Alexa.
Say it.
He's looking. He's looking for her now.
He said yeah, because he goes yeah.
Oh, the Maroon 5 song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
You don't feel good? Alright guys, we did not end the vlog yesterday. After I put the camera down, Jackson and Landon both started coughing really bad. And if you guys could tell, Jackson is getting like super sick. I don't know what it is. We might bring him into the doctor depending on what happens later on today. But yeah, that is pretty much it for yesterday's vlog. Oh, and by the way, the big Rice Krispie thing, I finished it. It was a goal of mine. I was like, I have to finish this tonight, and I did. And I didn't get a stomach ache. So that's a plus. But thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow in our next daily vlog.
Car went like to get into my bedroom.
Nene, you want to go play with Scar? Jackson's over here shaking his head like he said yes. Oh, Scar's out here already. You got your toys on? And look at these three. Look at these cousins. Let me take a picture of you. The baby just woke up, and look, Keren has her baby girl.
Just like the size, I miss the little tininess.
You miss it?
Ugh, baby fever.
No, no baby fever. Look, Keren, we have a baby right there.
I know, but this one's so tiny.
Yeah, even though that one is the size of our oldest,
Yeah.
still a baby. Oh, we're on the end screen, Keren. This is awesome. Welcome to the end of the vlog, guys.
If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to click here to subscribe.
And follow us on our social media right here.
And if you need to catch up on some vlogs, click right here.
And leave some comments down below. I love reading the comments.